Happiness is about having choices. Now, even though I don't have the choice to drive the C5 today, I have plenty of choices as to which sill plate I'm going to install. We're going to walk through some of those choices and exactly how to install a sill plate next.
Toys for life.
There's nothing really wrong with the stock C5 sill plates, but then again, there's nothing really right about them either. These have got to go. Now guys, when it comes to C5 sill plates, you've got a number of choices out there. But at the end of the day, with the C5 being black, to me there's just something about that polished aluminum look on the black paint. This one happens to be for the 50th anniversary, which is what this is. And this thing is a pretty heavy duty piece. You can see how thick that is. Now guys, the first thing we got to do is remove the old rubber strips, and we'll use a hairdryer to heat that up, and that should loosen the glue up so we can peel this off. That was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. The next step is using a little wax and grease remover. We have to remove the old adhesive. It does take a little bit of work to get all the old adhesive off, but you've got to get it nice and clean so that the two-sided tape has something to stick to. Next, we're going to lay this out where we want it, and we'll mark it with masking tape. So when it's time to put it on for real, we get it right the first time. Now I've got a piece of tape here so I know how far left and right to go. It's pretty close to this ridge right here, and there's a ridge up here. So I think I'm ready for the scary part, and that is peel off the backing and see if I can get this right. Now, since I just stripped all the wax off of the sill area and around it, I'm going to just go ahead and use a little bit of this ultimate wax. We'll just let that haze over here for a few minutes. All right, a couple minutes have gone by. And we're done. That looks fantastic as far as I'm concerned. But let's just back this thing out with some sunlight and take a peek with some natural light. So clearly I've got a soft spot in my heart for the billet aluminum look on the black C5. Let's see how this accentuates some of the other billet pieces I have. So guys, if you're looking for a pretty easy mod for your C5 this winter, a modification that you'll see every single time that you open the door when you take it from this to something like this or one of the other sill plate options that I showed, then this is a good option for you. Also, I'll include in your upper right hand corner information on installing that exhaust plate, as well as information on the billet coil brackets for underneath your hood if you want to change that up from the plastic covers. Guys, if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.